grazing, in the name of water, in the name of anything. These are now crime scenes. We have sealed them off. They can graze and do whatever else elsewhere. Anybody found in the Corcoran Hills, the Arabal Hills, the Ngelecha Hills, the Tandare Valley will be treated as a suspect of banditry and will be dealt with accordingly. The government did promise a few other things in this region, and the President has directed us to expedite the delivery of those promises. I would like to announce that the government has released 100 million for the rehabilitation of all the schools that were affected in Baringo North and Baringo South by banditry. The money has been released, and our officers from the Kenya Defence Forces will help us in the reconstruction. I am aware that money may not be enough given the level of damage in some of the schools. I have visited some of those places. We require a little more money, so we are working hard to be able to secure a further 100 million to bring the total to 200 million for the purpose of rehabilitating those schools. Number two, the government has decided to enhance the number of local teachers from the local area. And we are going to give 50 new teachers in Baringo South and 50 new teachers in Baringo North who will be recruited from the local community by the Teachers Service Commission to ensure that they are able to support our schools here and they don't run away because of the situation here, even as they also support the teachers who come from the rest of the country.